We have pretty much everything for early 60s to 70s BSA, Norton, Triumph parts in stock. Japanese motorcycles from the 70s and 80s. Pretty much make any motorcycle of those years run. My name's Tim. I'm the owner of Century Motorcycles here in San Pedro, California. We've been open here since 1953, started by my grandfather, William Cottam. My mom raised my brother and I here at Century Motorcycles with the help of my grandfather. He had the little shop on 13th Street, the sign business shop, and he would race people for pink slips. Next thing you know, the sign business had too many motorcycles in it. He had to come down 4 blocks and open up Century Motorcycles because he didn't have any more space. Mike over here is a longtime motorcycle enthusiast. He's a speedway racer and he's helping out Century Motorcycles putting some bikes together for me. Longtime mechanic friend, worked for my mom for several years, and when she passed away, he kept working here and works for me. Big Dave. Dave's been in the motorcycle business for about 40 years. He does all my Japanese motorcycle work, builds engines for me. Tim at Century Motorcycles. Anybody here who works here will be glad to help you. Thank you so much.